So I am here to talk to you guys about GaNFast, of course, Ugreen and Navitas, okay? We are charging into the GaNFast future. So, quick introductions about me. My name is Frederick Rollins. I'm the Creative Marketing Manager at Ugreen. I have been in China for close to 7 years, but please don't ask me to speak Chinese because unless you want some broken sentences, that's the best you're going to get. I've been with Ugreen for close to 7.5 months now. That's a little bit outdated. And I studied engineering technology, so if you have any tech questions, I can direct you to the tech person easily enough, okay? All right, so my agenda, the agenda for today, I want to get in, get out as quick as possible so you guys can go about and enjoy CES. We're going to talk a bit about Ugreen. I'm going to talk about what GaN is, why it's important, where it is used, and of course the shameless plug, talking about Nexode series Ugreen products. In this days, we're surrounded by technology. It's integral to everything that we do. From riding in the new Tesla that you just won from the Navitas booth, to collaborating with others, to confirming dates with significant others. This technology is here, okay? And it's only going to get smaller, faster, and better. We all know that to keep using this technology, we must charge faster and we must keep charged longer. That's where Ugreen, Navitas, and GaN chargers come in. After being founded in 2012, Ugreen has secured well over 700 patents. We've sold over 189 million products, and we have markets across all 6 continents with well over 1,000 staff members. Since becoming one of the fastest selling consumer electronics companies to date, we've made additional incursions into the electro accessory market with the production of multi-port hubs, adapters, docking stations, hard drive enclosures, high-end chargers, and high-end chargers, more specifically the GaNFast chargers. So you might be asking yourself right now, what is GaN? You've heard me mention it a couple of times before. So what does it mean? Now, GaN stands for gallium nitride, okay? Gallium nitride, or GaN, is a combination of the gallium element, which is a byproduct of the manufacturing process, and the nitrogen element. It's a complex compound semiconductor material with a hard crystal structure and a band gap of over 3 times that of silicon. Now, this band gap feature is quite significant. Band gaps, simply put, are the amount of energy needed to turn on a semiconductor, or to conduct, or to turn off a semiconductor, to isolate. Larger band gaps mean GaN chargers can handle larger electric fields and faster switching, resulting in faster charging speeds in comparison to conventional silicon. GaN chips are smaller, allowing for a reduction in overall size. They also allow for higher max temperature operation, providing added protection from overheating, and extra ports for chargers, to chargers for additional charging options. Using the Navitas GaNFast ICs, the Nexode 65-watt charger by Ugreen replaces up to 3 conventional Apple chargers. This also means that we can put more power to your devices faster. In the case of the DigiNest series, this is our DigiNest Pro to the left, and to the right picture here is a DigiNest Cube. We're capable of charging portable laptops to completely full in 2 hours' time. In the case of the Nexode 140, as you can see in the picture and on display here, we're capable of charging multiple devices to near full in an hour's time. Today, many GaNFast chargers are now supplied as in-box fast chargers by a number of leading consumer electronic brands. These brands include Lenovo, Dell, LG, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi. So, this leads to another important question. Why is gallium nitride important? So I've briefly discussed discussed what gallium nitride is and how far we've come with that technology. But now I want to shift to why it's important. A big challenge for many companies that make fast chargers is providing chargers that are small and light, yet powerful for rapid charging. This is where GaN ICs really shine. Gallium nitride offers significantly improved performance while reducing the energy and the physical space needed to deliver that performance. In the consumer electronics industry alone, GaN chips provide revolutionary fast charging. Oops, sorry, I meant to go back to the other one. Provide fast charging for phones, tablets, and laptops, providing products with charging times that are up to 3 times faster and half the size and weight compared to conventional silicone chargers, or processors, excuse me. As global need for energy increases, a move to GaN technology will help to meet demand while keeping carbon emissions to a minimum. GaN design and integration has been shown to deliver next-gen semiconductors with a carbon footprint 10 times lower than older, slower silicon chips. To further support the case for GaN, it is estimated that a worldwide SI to GaN data center upgrade would reduce energy loss by 30 to 40%, which translates to a savings of over 100 terawatts or terawatt hours and 125 megatons of CO2 emissions by 2030. With a smaller die size, fewer steps in the manufacturing process, and integrated functionality, an example being larger band gaps, the GaN power ICs have a lower CO2 footprint than silicone-based solutions. At a higher level assembly, GaN-based chargers possess half the manufacturing and shipping CO2 footprint of silicone designs. Their higher efficiency also makes them a greener choice. So, where are GaN fast chips used? Okay, where can you find these products, these chargers, these super components? Gallium nitride has been used in the production of LEDs and RF components, but is now moving to mainstream acceptance in a growing number of power switching and conversion applications. GaN-based ICs improve system performance and efficiency, save space, and deliver reliable operation at higher temperatures. Gallium nitride power semiconductors are deployed in data center power supplies. In the automotive industry, gallium nitride is becoming the technology of choice for power conversion and battery charging of hybrid and electric vehicles. In the Tesla you see here and in the garage, for example, there are many different GaN fast components that allow it to run successfully as it does today. For example, the GaN fast, the onboard charger, converts AC power into DC energy so it can be stored in the battery. And the GaN fast DC to DC converts higher voltage into lower voltage for onboard systems like Windows control, climate control, and entertainment and the like. Last but not least, within phones and laptops, GSM and Wi-Fi signals are transmitted and received using GaN RF devices. Additionally, chargers and adapters that power these devices increasingly incorporate GaN and GaN fast ICs. And of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the fact that Ugreen has a wide selection of GaN and GaN fast products for any charging scenario. All right, so that's going to do it for me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Ugreen does have a booth further down the way if you'd like to come and learn a little bit more about our products. We're also doing giveaways there too. If there's nothing else, I appreciate you guys for stopping by.